Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel Whiteboard Wealth. In today's video, what we're going to be talking about is the Bitcoin predictions for the month of April, date 12 to 16 2021. And let's begin. Bitcoin to USD ends the trading week at the level of 58,492. Continues to move as part of the correction and the ascending channel. Moving averages indicate a bullish trend. Prices went up from the area between the signal lines, which indicates pressure from the buyers of the asset and the potentially continued growth of the asset's quote. At the moment, we should expect an attempt to develop a correction and the test of the support area near the level of $55,455. Where can we again expect a rebound and continued growth in the Bitcoin rate with a potential target above the level of $75,505. Bitcoin forecast analysis April 12 to 16, 2021. An additional signal in favor of raising the Bitcoin to USD quotes in the current trading week. The week April 12 to 16, 2021 will be a rebound from the lower border of the triangle model. The second signal will be a rebound from the support line on the indicator relative to the strength. RSI. Cancellation of the Bitcoin growth option will be a fall and a breakdown of the 47,505 area. This will indicate a breakdown of the support area and continued fall in the Bitcoin to USD quote, with a potential target below $38,605. Confirmation of the development of an upward trend will be a breakdown of the resistance area and closing of quotes above the level of 63,505. Bitcoin forecast analysis April 12 to 16, 2021 assumes an attempt to support the area near the level of 55,455. Then the cryptocurrency will continue to grow to the area above the level of 75,505. An additional signal in favor of the rise in the Bitcoin rate in the current trading week will be a test of the support line on the relative strength. Cancellation of the growth option for Bitcoin cryptocurrency quotes will be a fall and a breakdown of 47,505 area. In this case, we should expect a continued decline with a target at 38,605. So guys, that is the predictions for the week for Bitcoin April 12 to 16, 2021. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to smash the like button, make sure to leave a comment down below, and make sure to subscribe with post notifications turned on. And we will see you in the next video. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comment section below too, and we'll get right back to you guys. Have a great week cryptoing. Whiteboard Wealth signing out.